Hello, and welcome to a new video. Alzheimer's disease is insidious. It often develops without signs and leaves patients and their families with a heavy burden. The latest statistics show that about 5 million Americans currently have the disease. It is estimated that this number will increase to 16 million by 2050. The Alzheimer's Association estimates that one person in the United States develops the disease every 66 seconds. The time it took to listen to this paragraph was long enough for a person you probably know to develop Alzheimer's. The medical cost of Alzheimer's treatment can reach over $1 trillion in the United States alone by 2050, according to the Alzheimer's Association. Alzheimer's is the sixth leading cause of death in the United States. In Europe and America, Alzheimer's is the second most common disease that scares people, according to a Harvard School of Public Health survey. Not all memory disorders are Alzheimer's. There is no cure for Alzheimer's, but there are treatment plans to manage it better. These programs are normally expensive and tiring. A better option, according to health experts, is to engage in preventive and proactive plans. This means better food. Fortunately, some nutrients can be consumed regularly to reduce the risk of developing this debilitating disease. Here is a list of 7 foods that fight Alzheimer's. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Numerous studies have observed the relationship between omega-3 fatty acids and the onset of Alzheimer's disease. A systematic review published only this year concluded that a consistent intake of omega-3 could reduce the risk of developing the disease and may even alleviate some symptoms in milder forms of Alzheimer's. However, omega-3 fatty acids are ineffective in managing severe cases of the disease. Omega-3 can be easily found in flax seeds, salmon, nuts, chia seeds, and other fatty fish. 2. Flavonoids. These antioxidants protect neurons, slowing down any possible degeneration and, consequently, preventing mental disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Studies have suggested that flavonoids influence knowledge and learning in human and animal models. Fruits such as blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, shock berries, raisins, and currants are good sources of flavonoids, especially those in dark colors. Cocoa, the main ingredient of chocolate, has huge amounts of antioxidants, called flavonoids, which have strong protective properties. When cocoa is consumed, the blood flow to the brain intensifies. Cocoa powder has twice as many flavonoids as milk chocolate. White chocolate does not contain them at all. 3. Vitamins C and E. Alzheimer's disease can be caused by free radical damage. Foods rich in vitamin C and E can help reduce mental deterioration and decline. A study by Rush University Medical Center suggested that people on a diet rich in vitamin C and E were half as likely to develop Alzheimer's. Almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds are important vitamin E sources, while red peppers, oranges, and Brussels sprouts provide incredible amounts of vitamin C. 4. Turmeric curcumin. Turmeric has extremely strong anti-inflammatory properties, which can help prevent Alzheimer's. Studies have shown that turmeric improves both physical and mental conditions. Those who eat curry regularly generally have better brain performance than those who do not eat spices. Curcumin acts primarily by blocking the accumulation of amyloid wounds, deposits identified in the brains of sufferers, that induce Alzheimer's disease and destroy existing wounds, thus slowing down cognitive decline. 5. Folic acid. B vitamins are generally known to maintain mental health. In particular, folic acid is highly recommended as a natural means of alleviating certain symptoms associated with cognitive decline. Pregnant women are also advised to increase their folic acid intake to prevent neurological defects in their children. Products rich in folic acid include beets, lentils, spinach, and chickpeas. Diet is not the only thing to consider. To completely prevent the disease's onset, nutritionists recommend other lifestyle changes, such as proper exercise and proper sleep. 6. Drink more tea, black and green. Evidence suggests that tea stops the cognitive loss that precedes Alzheimer's disease, and that the more tea you drink, the sharper your memory. The secret of tea is no longer a mystery. The leaves have a rich content of compounds capable of penetrating the blood-brain barrier and blocking neuronal damage. A special antioxidant in green tea can block the toxicity of beta amyloid, which kills brain cells. Make it a habit to drink black tea and green tea. Do not add milk, as it reduces the antioxidant activity of tea by 25%. 7. Kombucha tea. Kombucha tea is a little researched drink, but the few more relevant studies do not support this medicine panacea quality. Although the fungus chemical analysis has not been fully elucidated, it is already known that it contains significant amounts of vitamin C and B complex vitamins, which largely justifies its rejuvenating properties. Kombucha tea is also stimulating the body's natural resistance. In the end, we present some things you may not know about Alzheimer's disease. Women are twice as likely to develop this disease. This statistic is, according to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Researchers do not understand why this could be the case, but they have noticed that brain contraction tends to be more severe among women. 68% of Alzheimer's patients are women. The reason might be they lose the hormone estrogen protection in the middle of life. Unless your doctor tells you otherwise, start taking estrogen immediately during menopause. Any delay leads to the risk of dementia and stroke. Alzheimer's disease is associated with heart disease. Scientists have found that one disease increases the risk of developing the other. Heart disease is thought to narrow the brain's blood vessels, which increases the risk of dementia and, ultimately, Alzheimer's. To get more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.